A lot can be said about first impressions. That's why it's important you have a positive impression the first time. One way is to carry yourself with confidence, and a bright smile goes a long way to giving you that confident edge. Joining me now with more on making the most of your smile is Dr. drmonstwil. Welcome, doctor. It's nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Dr. Monstwil is a local dentist. You're located in Westerville.
Yes.
And I'm sure you know the importance of a smile. I mean, you see people's smiles every day.
Yes, we do.
Whitening has, I would say, become very important to people. Why all of a sudden, in the last 5 to even 10 years, this is such a trend?
Well, whitening your teeth is one of the easiest and most economical cosmetic procedures that you can do to improve your appearance and to make you look younger.
It used to be that only people that supposedly could afford it, but it has become affordable, hasn't it?
Very affordable.
And everyone should do it.
Yes, they should.
It is funny how people look at a smile right away, and then they judge.
Absolutely. You're very true.
You have something called Easy White. You're one of the only dentists in the area that does this. It's different than other type of whitening procedures. Can you explain?
It is a brand new material out on the market. We just became available to us this spring. And so it is different because it is very fast. It has very good results we're seeing with it. And it is very economical for the patient. It's also a very gentle material. And so traditionally, the in-office whitening materials that were available to us in the past took a long time. It took about 90 minutes to do an in-office procedure. And a lot of people don't have that time in their day to brighten their teeth in the office. Or they had to take the trays home and work with the trays and the gel, and they would wait for 2 weeks before they saw any kind of result. This procedure takes as little as 30 minutes in the office, and the results are right away, immediate. You leave with your brighter smile. You also, it's very gentle. A lot of patients have sensitivity with other whitening materials.
Yes, they do. Even over the counter sometimes.
Yes. And those materials can also be harsh to your gums. So this material has a barrier that we put over the gum so to protect it from the whitening gel. And then after about 30 to 45 minutes of treatment, you leave with your white smile.
And you have some before and afters. And that's what always tells the story to me, because we are so used to looking at ourselves in the mirror that we don't even realize that our teeth have gradually yellowed.
Absolutely. A lot of our diets are full of coffees and red wines and dark berries because we're trying to get all of our antioxidants these days. And so those things do age our smile and darken it over time. Like they say, if you're not whitening, you're darkening. And it's true.
Well, after you whiten then, be it the easy method or other methods, how can a person keep that white smile? Do they have to keep coming back for more procedures?
They could. They could have this procedure done as often as twice a year with their regular...
And it's safe.
It's safe, very safe. We also give them some touch-up pens to use at home with the whitening gel that you can use literally in your car. Very easy to apply.
You mentioned that the gums in this don't become sensitive, or at least less sensitive than some of the other ways for folks. When you compare this to over-the-counter, or as you said, some of the other trays, is it still better when it comes to the sensitivity issue?
Very much so. We've had patients who could not whiten their teeth because the other products made them so sensitive.
Right.
Even the over-counter products made their teeth sensitive, and there are a lot lower concentrations of the whitening gel. These patients had zero sensitivity, and that's why we're so excited about this new product.
And it is new. I mean, you said the spring, so that's wonderful. Okay, but there are other ways that you can correct a person's smile other than whitening. What are some other ways that you can help folks?
Well, there's some other cosmetic procedures that we offer in our office, like bonding, crowns, veneers,
A little more...
straightening their teeth.
It's more than a 30-minute procedure, some of these, a little more detailed.
A little more detail, a little more expense involved, but there's all kinds of products and things available to patients, to people now to improve their smiles.
Well, you have an event coming up, a wine and cheese event, where you are inviting people to come in and see what you do. And so there it is. Learn about the Easy White Pro treatment, which sounds really good.
Yes, it's going to be a very fun ladies' night out. We encourage everyone to attend, and we're going to have some other fun surprises for everyone.
And a 20% discount. You can't beat that. Dr. Monstwil, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thanks, sir.
Well,
Thanks for joining
you.
us, and it's nice to meet you.
It was a pleasure to be here.